This is a quick demo of the new Niagara-on-the-Lake Family Health Team website. I'm just going to show some of the features and look at some of the objectives we had and how we met them. Objective number one was to make it a mobile site and a regular site. And I can just show the basics of that by dragging in to the size of a roughly what it would look like on a cell phone. And it takes the multiple columns into one column. Go back out again. So you've got a mobile site and a regular site in one. One of our next objectives was to get drop-down navigation to make it a little bit easier to move around the site. And we have it in different places. The programs, you can go directly to a program. We have a much simpler menu on the on the left nav now than we did on the old site. So we've got the drop-down navigation and a simpler way to present the programs. Another objective was to activate the social networking so that we can share the pages. Every page on the site now has a tweet, Google Plus, and a like button. And you don't have to have an account to do that. It's for the visitor's account. We now have SEO-friendly names in the sense that they're not cryptic page names anymore. Example is just /dietitian /after hours. So it's much easier to refer to your pages now. Go back up. Another thing we wanted to do was to get the Google Analytics in, and they've been installed now. Once the site goes live, every page will be tracked, and you can get statistics on visitors, the path they use, where they came from. Another target was to get a better resource library, and you now have a searchable resource library of links and uploaded files. And right now we have a news section. The resource library has a mental health and social work section, diet section, useful websites. The ability now to search across all your resources and just bring back, in this case, things to do with diet. And it'll grow if you get more links. Yeah, go back to the home page. The design is just a starting point. I've took some information off the old home page. The site has a little slideshow built in, and in this version it can be any size you like. It has the ability to put captions under the slides, same as before. Right now I was thinking of putting the news on the home page, the link to the after hours clinic, and the link to the locations. But again, you can edit everything you want and add more content or less content. You can make the slideshow a lot bigger or smaller. The pages now, you have the ability to set multiple formats. I mean, this is one format where we have two boxes across the top, three on the bottom, and this is a more standard layout where we have left nav and the right nav. You have the ability to set now, I think there's 12 different formats. So you can have 3-column, 4-column. So you've got a little bit more flexibility on your display. That's it. The next step would be this training on my site, and I'll help you move on to the, adding more stuff to it now. I've added everything that was on your old site, but it needs to be tweaked. That's it.